morning, guys! Today I will show you how to make English muffins. So using my old recipe from how to make pandesal, I'll put the link somewhere up there or down there. So we'll just use the recipe to make the one batch of pandesal. So up to the point of where we will rice them for about 2 hours. So we'll just deflate it. And then let's put it into a clean surface so we can portion them. So it's the best recipe if you get no oven. You can actually use your oven too. So portion this, make a log. See how many grams can we get. So cut them into 80 grams portions. We need a baking tray, line it with baking paper, and then I'll be using a polenta to dust the bottom. You can actually use polenta, semolina. You can use also cornflour or cornstarch, okay? So today I'll using polenta or cornmeal. So this one, we'll just boil them. Put everything in the middle, make a tight ball, and you can. Okay, it's just building a tension on top, and then you can just flatten it, and then put them on the tray. Okay. Some of our friends are asking how to make bread without an oven. This is the best way to make them. Okay. And now we'll just top it with more polenta. Then we'll just let it rise for another hour. We'll cover it with another baking paper, and then I'll put a cooling rack on top, or if you got another tray, that would be great. Just put a cooling rack on top and then cover it. I'll leave it to rest for about 30 minutes to about 1 hour. So after 1 hour, our dough has risen again. It's time to cook them. So in a non-stick pan, put it in low heat. Put some butter. Get the 3 of our dough balls. We'll press it down and then cover it. Okay, it's on the lowest setting you can get. 7 minutes per side. Yeah. So after 7 minutes, we'll just flip them over. So when you flip it, give it a good push down. Push it down again. Push it down. And then cover. We'll cook it for another 7 minutes. 7 minutes is up. I'll just check on our muffins. Looks cooked. Look good. So after cooking, just put them on a wire rack or a cooling rack. There you go. Okay, you don't need an oven. You just need a griddle or a pan. Very nice. Breakfast.